Hello, welcome to my channel. The question here says find angle x below. Now, if you look at this diagram, this line AMB is a tangent, an external line touching the circle. So AMB is a tangent, and then this chord NM is making this particular angle here with the tangent. So now this same chord NM has an opposite angle in this triangle that it forms. So this chord NM has angle 60 in this triangle NPM. So a line like this has an angle that is exactly opposite the line. So this 40 degree is made by this chord NM in the triangle. Similarly, this line NM also makes this angle with the tangent. So in a case like that where a line makes an angle inside a triangle, and also that line makes that line must be a chord anyway, and that same line makes an angle with a tangent, then the angle it makes with the tangent is equal to the angle it makes inside the triangle. And what theorem is that? Alternate segment, that is, angle in alternate segments are equal. So this is 40 degrees, this will also be 40 degrees. Now, let's look at this parallel line OQ and this parallel line NM. Now, in between the parallel lines, we have this angle 3x, and then we also have this angle here. So this is the parallel line, this is also the parallel line. So we have 3x within the parallel line. We also have the opposite angle here within the parallel line. Now, when you have a situation like this, two angles in between parallel lines, they are called co-interior angles. And these two angles add up to 180 degrees. So if they add up to 180 degrees and this is already 3x, that means this one has to be 180 minus 3x. So when you have two angles like that sum up to 180, if one is 3x, the other one has to be 180 minus that 3x. That will give you the opposite, the other angle. Now, we now have three angles on a straight line. We have 40 degrees, we have 180 minus 3x, and we have x degree on a straight line. Now, you agree with me that sum of angle on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So 40 degrees plus 180 minus 3x and then plus x, the third angle, all together add up to 180 because sum of angle on a straight line gives 180 degrees. So 40 plus 180 will give us 220. Then 3x, negative 3x plus x will give us negative 2x and is equal to 180. So now let me take this negative 2x to that side and bring 180 to this side. So 220 is already here. When this 180, which is positive here, comes to the left hand side, it becomes negative 180. And that is equal to, when this negative 2x crosses to the right hand side, it becomes positive 2x. So now I can continue and say 40, that is 220 minus 180 will give us 40, is equal to 2x. So I can now divide both sides by 2, divide this by 2. And then 2 cancel 2. So I have 20 here, which is left here. So let me write the x first. So I have x will be equal to 40 divided by 2, which is 20 degrees as the final answer. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that I can get more detailed videos on circle theorems. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.